This is a question of print value of RSB-mask. So what we have to do, we have to just find out the rightmost set digit. So how we can find out? We have to give in a number, and then we have to convert this number into binary digit. Then we have to find the rightmost digit of this number. Okay, so how we can find that? So this is a number like 76, and then what we have to do, we have to just convert this number into, initially we have to just convert this number into binary number. Okay, and after that, when we are converting this binary number, sorry, we are saying tree because I'm just creating a video on tree, so I'm just learn this thing, so sorry. So we have to just convert this thing into binary tree. Oh sorry, I'm again saying binary tree. Convert this number into binary numbers. Okay, so how we can convert? So like this, I'm taking this 76, so I'm just divided to sorry, 2 3 ja 6, and then 20 ja, okay, so 290 ja, and 219, and then 219, and then 2 4, and then 2 2. Okay, so this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. Okay, so this is your binary number. Okay, I think we are taking mess, I'm creating mess, I think. So 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so there are 1. Okay, so this is your binary tree. Okay, binary number. Okay, so 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So this is your binary number. Okay, so how we can, so what we have to do in this number, initially number is given 76, we have to find out this binary, and then we have to just find out what is our rightmost digit. So in this question, our rightmost digit is 0 0 0 0 1. This is our rightmost digit. This is your rightmost digit. Rightmost digit means, what do you mean by rightmost digit? So the rightmost digit is the least zeros. It means the last one is, it means after one everywhere 0 is present, like after one there are everywhere 0. Okay, so we have to find this one. Okay, so we have to find this one, and after the one all numbers would be 0. So what is your mask for this? We find out mask in every question. Huh? So what is your mask for this? We have to achieve this in ON. We have to achieve this one. So how we can solve this? I'm going to solve. First you have to try, then after come the solution, but I'm going to solve this question. So how we can find this RSP value? So what we have to do, we have to just go and solve this question. So the question is like this: we have to find the rightmost digit, rightmost value, set digit. Okay, so this is our value. Okay, so we have to find this. So you know the range of integer is 32 bits, and we are written this 7 digits. So we have remaining 25 zeros. We have remaining 25 zeros. So we have to just print it. We have just add 25 zeros. Okay, and because you know now, when we added 0 in the front of any number, then it will not affect then it will not give effect anything anywhere. Okay, so we have to just add the zeros. Okay, so it doesn't give any effect at this point. So we have just add these numbers. Okay, and there are no any effect. Okay, so this is 25 zeros, and after that this is 7 digits. Okay, so this will make a 32 digits. So what we have to do, we have to just find out, extract this. We have to extract this one. Okay, this rightmost digit. So how we can extract this? How we can create a mask that will convert this into this? Okay, so for that we have to do, we have to just take 2's complement of this. We have to just take 2's complement of this. Then we just take AND of the same numbers. After taking 2's complement of this, the result will be AND with same number. Okay, so we have to do this. So we have to just take a 2's complement of this. What is so for 2's complement, we have to take 1's complement, and then after we have to add 1. Okay, for 2's complement we have to take 1's complement, and after that we have to add 1. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing. So how we can do this? We have to take 1's complement of this. So we are going to take 1's complement, and then we have to just convert this one, and then 0 0, then 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so they are all ones, so all zeros will convert into all ones, and then after we have to add 1. After that 0 0 1, this 0 is converted 1, this 0 1 0 1. Okay, so what we are going to do, what we are finding, so we are find that all 0 is 1, all 0 is converted, all same thing, the same thing. What we are doing, what we are saying it, sorry. Okay, so all ones is presented here. Okay, so after that 1 0 0, and there are 1. Okay, so what we are find it, that we have just convert this this into this, because this is a 1's complement. Okay, and after we added 1. Okay, so in 1's complement what we are doing, we just convert this whole number into its complement. Like if after 1 this is a, This is A, and in this A, many zeros and many ones. Okay, many zeros and many ones. And after taking complement, this many zeros and ones converted into ones and zeros. Every one is converted into zero, every zero is converted into one. Okay, and after that, when we are taking the complement of that, when we are taking AND with complement, then it will produce zero, and we want zero. After this index, we want zero, because we want this, we want this, we want this. After our rightmost value, after this one, before this one, we want to zeros, and then we are converted, then we are taking one's complement. After taking one's complement, after before ones is converted into ones, and when we are taking AND with this, then it will produce these zeros. So what we are doing, we have to take AND with this, we have to take AND with this, then, so that's why we are taking 2's complement. And after we taking add one, why we are adding one here? Because we want to shift this one into here, because at the stage of one we are finding zeros, so we doesn't take zero now, we have to set there one now. So what we have to do, we have to just add one, because we know now, because we know this is our rightmost digit. And after that, everywhere is zero, 100% everywhere is zero presented, because this is our rightmost digit one. So after that, there are everywhere zero is presented, so we have to just add one. When we're adding one, sorry, because what I'm saying, if there are ones, so after taking one's complement, there are ones presented and there are zeros. But when we added one now, sorry, there are colored photos coming. But just again explaining what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that if our this type, okay, so when we're taking one's complement, this will convert it into this, okay, and but when we're taking one now, then this carry will shifted here and it will produce here one, okay. So when we're taking one, then it will produce 0 0 0 and 1, okay. So carry will shifted here, okay. So 100% if we converted one, if we're taking one's complement, then at that place we are finding one, at that place we are finding this one, okay. After that we are taking AND with same number, then we are finding that we are finding our rightmost digit, okay. So this is approach for find the rightmost digit. What we are doing here, we are taking just one's complement and then add one and then take AND with AND, okay. So we are going to do same thing, okay, in the code. So what we have to do, we have to just take char buffer and then 33, and after that what we have to do, we just take int k equal to n and negation the sense this, okay. After that we have to just add one, okay. So it will produce a value of RSB mask, okay. So you accept it, we have to just submit it. So this is submitted. Thank you so much for watching this video.